What's up everybody, Thestepgun here, and today, if you can't tell, I am super pumped for this video. Yes, it is a collection video. I have a lot of guns, and it is some of my favorite brands of guns. Today we're going to dive into my Glocks, my 9mm, my collections. I can't wait any longer. Let's check it out. Alright guys, this is the first gun we'll take a look at, my Glock 17 Gen 4. Magazine capacity is 17 rounds. It's got your normal drop trigger, which all my Glocks have the drop trigger safety inside of them. The weight without a magazine is 22.05 ounces. The weight with the empty magazine is 24.87 ounces. The weight with a loaded mag, 32.28 ounces. And the trigger pull is 28 newtons. The barrel length on a Glock 17 Gen 4 is 4.49 inches, and this is a 9mm, as well as every gun in this video will also be a 9mm. So yeah guys, this is one of my babies. This is more of like a combat Glock. I'm gonna run through pretty quick here with you guys. As you guys can see, this is a Glock 17 Generation 4. A clear chamber. Okay, yeah guys, I put some aftermarket night sights on this gun. I got the rear base with the orange light up sights at night, with the front being the green sight at night as well. It's got a good trigger. I really like the kind of dark. I had a commenter when I did a review on this video put the cornfield brown, and I actually think I like that name better than flat dark earth, because I really do. Actually, this is not flat dark earth now that I even think about it, guys. This is their olive drab. This Gerber Pro knife I have here is actually a flat dark earth. But yeah guys, this is my Glock 17 Gen 4. This is more of a combat pistol. I do a lot of range shooting with this. I'll take this gun hunting sometimes. The Glock 17 Gen 4. Alright everybody, up next is my Glock 19 Gen 3. 15 round magazine capacity with a 4.02 inch barrel. Right hand 1-in-9 twist inside of the barrel, hexagonal barrel rifling. It's a compact size. This Glock's kind of medium sized pistol, if you will, one of the most common Glocks ever made. It's 6.85 inches long. The Generation 3 comes with 2 magazines. It weighs 20.99 ounces unloaded and 29.98 ounces loaded. It's almost 30 ounces with a fully loaded gun. Glock 19 is one of my babies. This is the Generation 3, and man, I tell you what, I love all my Glocks. You know, Glock Generation 3 has a shorter magazine release. It has your front grooves on the checkering here. It has this little miniature stippling, if you want to call it that, but just kind of like a little burn-in, I mean, whatever you want to call it, like indent, if you will, in the back of the blunt, back lower part of the frame here. It's got your good checkering on the back. You know. I got the plain sights on here. I haven't not done anything to these sights, but you know, typical Glock Generation 3s have the single recoil guide rod spring. I'm not going to dig too deep in there in the field strip. But I tell you what I have loved, man. If you guys look on my Glock 23 video, the way a Glock Gen 3 fits in my hand, whew, it is dang good. I'll put it that way. It is just incredible. I love a Glock 19. That's why our FBI carries it, and a lot of police carry it. The Glock 19, guys, is just an incredible pistol, and I preferably just absolutely love the Generation 3. Glock 19, Gen 3, guys. Alright, guys, up next is the Glock 19 Gen 5. Gen 5 is the newest line of Glocks that have come out, in the past year. The Glock 19 Gen 5 features a front beveled edge on front of the slide. It also features that good fat magazine release, which came out on the Gen 4 Glocks as well. You got your double recoil spring. Glock has done away with any grooves on the gun. We got the straight grooves here. We also have a nice flared mag well as well. And as you guys can see, this is my STHF gun. For those of you who don't understand, this is my, if stuff that's bad hits the fan, goes down in my home defense or whatever right now. This is also my concealed carry gun as well. These would get racked away right now. But yeah, guys, the Glock 19 Gen 5 Glock, as always, done an incredible job. Super smooth slide. The Gen 5 guns have a little bit better trigger as well, so it's got a good reset as well. So on the Gen 5, it's got a good front beveled edge on the front of the slide, so it makes it easier to put inside of a holster. Nice straight lower frame as well. And something else that's really cool is this nice flared mag well. Okay, rule of thumb real quick, I just showed you guys a Glock 19 Gen 3. So for future reference, if you're ever curious, a Generation 3, Generation 4 magazine will always fit in a Gen 5. A Generation 3 magazine will always fit in a Gen 4. You can always go forwards in time for Glock magazines, but you can never go backwards. Okay, so that's just kind of the way that works. Just a little tip for you guys. But yeah, guys, this gun sits hot and ready and alert 24/7 whenever I am carrying or going out in public. So as you guys can see, this gun is on status right now if something were to go down. My Glock 19 Gen 5. All right, everybody, up next we got the Glock 48. That's right, the single stack, baby, except if you got a Shield Arms magazine, that makes it a whole lot better. But yeah, guys, it's a 9mm, length 7.28 inches. The height is 5.4 inches. And the overall width, look at that, guys, 1.1 inches. It's almost like a little baby 1911, and Glock somewhere along the line had some children's. All right, guys, the slide width is 0.87 inches. Okay, guys, so this is a pretty, really thin gun. Barrel is 4.17 inches. The trigger is about 5.5 pounds. And as you guys can see, I do carry this gun, so I do have some Ameriglow night sights on this gun as well. But yeah, guys, you can see this beautiful beast is unloaded. That's a Gen 5. That's right. You guys see that orange follower? Generation 5 guns to let you know that when this gun is empty, so you guys can see the chamber is clear, you have a nice good orange follower inside that magazine to let you know for sure that the gun is safe. Unless you guys start shooting some bright orange bullets anytime soon with a orange casing. But yeah, guys, this is another gun. My wife kind of really, I guess she kind of just took this gun away from me. She carries it more than I do, but being that we live in South Florida in a really hot atmosphere, as you guys can see that slide, let me grab a Glock 19 real quick and show you really quick while I'm here. We're pushing through. Guys, look at there. There's a Glock 19 Gen 3. There's your Glock 48 1911. Whoa. What did I just say? There's your Glock 48, guys, and your Glock 19. As you guys can see, super thin, super ergonomic. My wife has little hands, so it fits her pretty good. Only issue I ever had with this gun was the fact that I have really big hands, and sometimes my finger will come around here. But, considering this is a self-defense gun, being it's really hot weather, it's very easy to conceal. It's got a good beaver tail to help you from getting some slide scratch. I love the Glock 48. And my wife loves it too. It's just an excellent concealed carry gun. And also, if you haven't done so already, check out Shield Arms. They make the, I think it's S15. Comment down below if I'm wrong. 15 round magazine that goes in here. So yeah, guys, Glock 48. This is another one of my 9mm Glock babies. All right, up next is the beautiful Glock 19X. I freaking love this gun. Caliber, of course, 9mm, length 7.44 inches. The height is 5.47 inches, width 1.3 inches. The length between sights is 5.94 inches, and the barrel length is 4.02 inches. Guys, this is the gun that Glock submitted for military trials. All right, guys, I'll demonstrate. Yes, the Glock 19X, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, well, you know, as you guys watch a bunch of my other videos. I did a sit down a while back. I'll tell you, whenever you pick a gun up, you want to put it in your hand and see how it feels. The Glock 19X is the best gun I've ever put in my hand that felt just perfect. It fits my hand perfect. I'm gonna get another one of these that's gonna stay stored in the safe for a long time, because guys, I don't know why in the world the U.S. military did not adopt a Glock 19X. You know, I don't understand how it is being in the military, having shot the M9. You know, it's obvious that the U.S. military wanted a striker-fired pistol. The SIG, M18, and M17, don't get me wrong, are great guns. But I just think for as a long-term reach, the reliability, and the name Glock has created as well, I don't understand why they didn't go with it. You know, that's a conversation we can have on a podcast sometime. But I freaking love this gun. Everybody, one of my favorites in the beautiful flat dark earth, the Glock 19X. And last but not least, for my Glock 9mm, for now, we have my gun I'm slowly kind of building here. It's still got a little bit of a ways to go, but I have gotten some stuff done to it already. This is a Glock 17 Generation 3, and this gun is going to be more of like my competition pistol. I'll do a lot of range time with this gun. As you guys can see, I have a flared mag well. I got the extended base plate. I have the Strike Industries mass driver, which is one of the coolest compensators I have ever seen in my life, about the theory of operations of the way it works, considering there's not a threaded barrel. And you know, we can have another review. Once I finish this gun, I plan on doing a full review of this beautiful Glock 17. Alright, and to show you guys, I got this extra, you know, I got a modified magazine release here, so it's really easy to dump mags out, flared mag. Yeah, guys, the way this works is when you pull the trigger, you know, trigger hits primer, fires around, the recoil drives backwards, right? So when the slide moves backwards, this compensator moves forward. And literally, it does compensate for the weight of the gun. So shooting and driving some 9mm down range with this thing, I mean, it just sits in your hand. It's just like that. I mean, it's so easy to do some follow-up shots on this gun. I originally was going to carry this gun as a kind of a home defense kind of gun as a backup. You know, the Glock 21, he's not here. You know, he's standing guard right now as well in the house, is my current home gun. But I had some True Dot night sights. I will probably be putting some fiber sights on this gun, you know, like a red fiber front to shoot a competition with it. But so far, I'm still waiting on a Zev Technologies. I have a trigger coming, but I already have a good, you know, overextended magazine release here as well. I have I have an extended slide release here as well. I have the extended magazine release. I have the flared mag well, and yeah, guys, this gun already is super fun to shoot. The one thing about Glocks, when you want to start shooting faster, shooting competition, you really want to get a good flat face trigger. So that'll be that's the next thing we're waiting on in some good sights. Yeah, guys, this is my Glock 17 Gen 3, my baby, and that concludes it for my Glock 9mm collection. Hey everybody, I really appreciate you guys checking out this video today on my Glock 9mm collection. Normally at the end of a video, I'll show the gun up here to you guys and kind of demonstrate some stuff, but I don't have, you know, enough hands to hold all 6 of my baby 9mm Glocks. I have a lot more Glocks. We have a lot more collection videos coming soon, guys. This is just the beginning. I want to say I really appreciate every single one of you. I appreciate all of your feedback. It's all really great. I understand there's some trolls out there, and I understand that there's some people on YouTube that know everything in the world about guns ever. I even appreciate you guys too for some of you guys. You know, I mispronounce things sometimes. I'm not perfect. I get a couple things wrong here and there. I'm human. I appreciate you guys correcting in the videos and addressing some of that stuff. But guys, the channel has exploded in the past couple months. I'm super thankful for all of you. We're gonna have a lot more of these videos coming soon. We're gonna get these guns out. We're gonna kind of see what a 9mm will do to a fire extinguisher. We're gonna get some cool stuff like that happening here pretty soon. I'm getting that stuff in progress right now, getting it laid out. But as always, guys, I thank you, each and every one of you, for all you've done. And until next time, Thestepgun is out.